The final letter in the simple process is E, which stands for extract and dry. In this step, we'll use the system's wet vacuum to remove soil and liquid from the restroom floor, leaving it clean, dry, and ready for use. To begin, remove the vacuum wand from the system and attach it to the vacuum hose. Now unwrap one loop of the vacuum hose and vacuum the floor around the system to provide a clean, dry surface to lay down the rest of your hose. Remove the remaining hose loops and lay them on the dry floor. Even if you don't plan on moving far from the Kaivac, unwrap all of the hose to achieve maximum vacuum lift. Beginning at the Kaivac, vacuum the floor working your way to the rear of the restroom. This way you're always standing on a dry surface and keeping your hose dry and clean. Vacuum with a forward and backward motion at a 45-degree angle to the grout lines for greatest efficiency. As you're vacuuming, listen for the greatest suction sound. The high-pitched sound indicates that you are achieving the best overall pickup. If the wand is too high or too low, you won't be able to vacuum effectively. When you vacuum along a wall, use the side of the squeegee head rather than the front, allowing cleaning solution to be extracted through the edge of the squeegee head. The vacuum wand is designed to maneuver into tight and hard-to-reach spaces like under a stall, partition, and around toilets. When you've extracted all of the cleaning solution from the floor, leave the vacuum motor running and turn the vacuum wand upside down and give it a few taps to loosen liquid and debris in the wand and avoid drips. Now, disconnect the vacuum wand and place it back onto the system. Wrap the vacuum hose back onto the system, leaving the vacuum running to avoid spilling any liquid still in the hose. When the hose is fully wrapped, turn off the vacuum motor. The restroom will dry spot-free in about 10 to 20 minutes. If you need to reopen the restroom for immediate use, the blow hose and nozzle can be used to blow dry fixtures. To dry fixtures, attach the blow hose to the HEPA filter exhaust port on your Kaivac. For Kaivac models 1750 and 2750, the HEPA exhaust port is located at the bottom of the black box. For Kaivac models 1250 and 2150, it's located on the side. Next, attach the blow nozzle to the other end of the blow hose. Disconnect the vacuum inlet hose and turn the vacuum motor on. Blow dry toilets in a top-down motion, beginning with the flush handle or toilet tank. With the blow nozzle facing away from the toilet bowl, blow dry the top of the toilet seats, being careful not to point the nozzle directly into the toilet bowl. Then, lift the seat and blow dry the bottom of the toilet seat. To blow dry a urinal, start with the flush handle and valve stem and finish by drying the top of the fixture. For sinks, blow dry the faucet and faucet handles and make your way around the top edge of the sink. When all of the fixtures have been dried, turn the vacuum off, disconnect the blow hose from the exhaust port, unplug the electrical cord, and wrap it back onto the system. This concludes the basic process for cleaning a restroom with the Kaivac NoTouch cleaning system. If you're cleaning additional restrooms, repeat the simple process in each restroom. If you're finished with your cleaning task, or if the vacuum tank is full, it can be easily emptied using the built-in dump hose. In the next video module, we'll cover the process of emptying and cleaning your system.